Rectification of errors. Question. Pass the necessary journal entries to rectify the following errors. 1. Credit sale of rupees 1700 to Ram was recorded as 7100. Second question. Credit sale of rupees 1700 to Mohan was recorded as sales to Krishnan. Third. Credit sales of rupees 1700 to Asha was recorded as sales to Anshul as rupees 7100. Question number 4. Credit sale of rupees 1700 to Mohan was recorded in the purchase book. Question number 5. Credit sale of old machinery to Sohan for rupees 1700 was entered in the sales book for rupees 7100. For rectifying entry of two-sided errors, following procedure may be followed. Step 1. Write the wrong entry which has actually been passed. Step 2. Write the reverse entry of the wrong entry to nullify the effect of wrong entry. Step 3. Write the correct entry which should have been passed. Step 4. Pass the rectifying entry which will be the net effect of correct entry and reverse entry. Question number 1. Credit sale of rupees 1700 to Ram was recorded as 7100. Wrong entry. Ram account debtor to sales account. A reverse entry. Sales account debtor to Ram. In order to cancel the wrong entry, a reverse entry should be passed. Reverse entry for the wrong entry is sales account debtor to Ram account. Correct entry, Ram account debtor to sales account. Rectification entry, sales account debtor to Ram account. Second question. Credit sale of rupees 1700 to Mohan was recorded as sales to Krishnan. Wrong entry, Krishnan account debtor to sales account. In this case, sales to Mohan was recorded as sales to Krishnan. Wrong entry, Krishnan account debtor to sales account 1700. Reverse entry to cancel the wrong entry, sales account debtor to Krishnan account. Then correct entry, Mohan account debtor to sales account. Rectification entry is Mohan account debtor to Krishnan account. Sales debited with 1700 in reverse entry and sales credited with 1700 in correct entry. So net effect of reverse entry and correct entry is Mohan account debtor to Krishnan account. Third question. Credit sale of rupees 1700 to Asha was recorded as sales to Anshul as rupees 7100. Wrong entry, Anshul account debtor to sales account 7100. Reverse entry, sales account debtor to Anshul account 7100. Correct entry, Asha account debtor to sales account 1700. In this case, sales account is debited with 7100 in reverse entry and credited with 1700 in correct entry. Net effect of reverse entry and correct entry is the rectification entry, and rectification entry is sales account debtor 5400, Asha account debtor 1700 to Anshul account 7100. Sales account debited with 5400 is the difference of sales debited with 7100 and sales credited with 1700. It is the difference of 7100 and 1700. Rectification entry, sales account debtor, Asha account debtor to Anshul account. Question number 4. Credit sale of rupees 1700 to Mohan was recorded in the purchase book. Credit sale of rupees 1700 to Mohan was recorded in the purchase book. Wrong entry, purchase account debtor to Mohan. Reverse entry, Mohan account debtor to purchase account. Correct entry, Mohan account debtor to sales account. A reverse entry, in reverse entry, Mohan account is debited with 1,700. And correct entry, in correct entry, Mohan account is debited with 1,700. Total debit in Mohan's account is 3,400. That is the sum of 1,700 and 1,700. Rectification entry, Mohan account debtor 3,400, to purchase account 1,700, to sales account 1,700. Next, credit sale of old machinery to Sohan for rupees 1,700 was entered in sales book for rupees 7,100. Wrong entry, credit sale of machinery. In this case, credit sale of machinery is recorded as normal sales. Wrong entry, Sohan account debtor to sales account. Reverse entry, sales account debtor to Sohan account. Correct entry, Sohan account debtor to machinery account. Rectification entry, sales account debtor to Sohan account to machinery account. Sales account debtor 7,100, to Sohan account 5,400, to machinery account 1,700.